Okay, this video shows me installing the flywheel, the initial flywheel install. Okay, finally I'm starting to do some work here. Here's my flywheel, fresh back from the machine shop. Had it resurfaced, real nice. There's a step here, a .020 step in the versus the clutch face and this mount area. Also, these holes here were expanded a little bit for the 2.2 stroke or crank. A little bit different bolt pattern on the 2.2 versus the 3S GTE. So I'll put that on. Wrote some things down about how to put the flywheel on as far as the tightening pattern and the torque. Now I'm going to torque them down. It says on the 5S FE motor, 65 foot-pounds. On the 3S GT it's 80 foot-pounds, but this is the 5S FE crank, so I'm going to put them at 65.